My name is Tirtha Maharaj. Gurudev gave name Sri Bhaktivedanta Tirtha Maharaj. Before I was named Shubhananda Brahmachari. Gurudev gave name. But I came 1974. I have gone one family house, one devotee house. There have temple. So I came there. Then he started Mangalarti. I have seen Mangalarti. After then, he started little kirtan. Some Harikatha already spoke me. I was very happy. After then, he changed clothes. He told, today, so many sadhus come in one place, one festival place we are going. Are you going with me? Then I told, okay, I'll go. Then I have gone with him. In the daytime, 1 o'clock, I came there. Upstairs, so Gurudev, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, sitting there on the chair. So I offer pranam to him. Face to face, very close, I am watching to him. That time Gurudev never asked me, so where from, what is your name? Never asked. Told me, I promise, I'll take care of you. You must come with me. Then I told Gurudev, okay, I'll come. That time Gurudev told, okay, after 3 days, you will come. 3rd day, you will come to me. I came to Devananda Gaudiya Math. In the night time, maximum 9 o'clock, I stand on the gate. At that time, one brahmachari came and he opened the door, called me. I thought, who is this? He called me, but I am watching temple. Okay, in night time I can stay in temple. After then I will see. In this way, I came inside. I stand there. Then brahmachari lock door. When he watched me, then I asked to him, I have seen one sadhu, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Where he is? I want to meet with him. That time Gurudev already took prasadam. After then in the veranda, walking and chanting Harinam. When I talk with him, Gurudev at once understood. Call me, hey, come here, come here, come here. At once I came to Gurudev of Pranam. Gurudev was very happy. He told, oh, you are coming after a 3rd day, you are coming, so you came already. I am very happy. After then he sent me, I took prasadam. Then in night time I took rest. Always I am living with Gurudev room. Near side one big hall, but I am staying there. Always I am staying in Gurudev room. Always coming going. That time in Devananda Gaudiya Math, 225 brahmacharis, sadhus. And outside people come in, 25. So in this way going on. After 10 days, then they gave me charge, Bhandar department, store department, buying from market, buying vegetable sabji and managing there. Gurudev was very happy. Gurudev teach me. At that time, how much rice, how much dal, So in where Gurudev every day teach how much vegetable necessary for everyone, because 250 people, everyone taking prasadam, no wastage. In this way Gurudev teach. I live with Gurudev. Also I am very small boy in temple. In this way Gurudev always gave so much love and affections. After few days, Gurudev told, okay, you can learn one verse from Bhagavad Gita. So in this way I study, I learn something, verse. But when I am coming to Gurudev, speaking, that time already mistake. My mistake come, forgot. Then everyone laughing, joking to me. I thought, hey, I study in school and I first bench. I am first bench, I am sitting, first bench. And here, why I forgot everything? Mistake coming. What happening? I am very shy. Okay. After 1 year, then too much high fever come to me. Maximum more than 3 months. At that time also I have seen one very nice dream, very beautiful dream. In the dream, they told me, you must live with Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. You will find everything. No need to go anywhere. You will stay with him. In this way, bless me. Then my fever gone. At once, my fever gone. Came to Gurudev. Gurudev was surprised. What happened? I spoke to Gurudev. Gurudev, my fever gone. And they told me. Then Gurudev told, how can I understand to them? Then I told, I understood. I know to them. Gurudev was very happy. After then, I took Brihad Bhagavatamritam Granth book. I read 2 books. I don't know anything more. When I am taking money from Gurudev, Gurudev give me money, counting, then I watch, hey, in the almari have 3rd part Brihad Bhagavatamritam. I told to Gurudev, Gurudev, here I have 3rd part Brihad Bhagavatamritam. I read 2 books, but now I see 1 book more. Please give me. I am reading. Gurudev told, what happening? You study. How can study? This is very high power book, high power knowledge. Ordinary person, they cannot read. So I worship these books every day. You told, so you are reading? Then I told Gurudev, I read 2 books and everything complete. What you are asking, everything I can speak. I have. Everything I have knowledge. Gurudev was very happy. After then Gurudev told, okay, I am giving books. But now you are going to market. In Bhandar department, management, so many things, so time is necessary. You can come 10:30 or 11 o'clock, I am giving books. Then I was very happy. I have gone market, so sabji cutting, sabji, give him to them in the kitchen. Then I was finished. Then I came to Gurudev. Gurudev was very happy. At that time he kept 6 sandarbhas. Sri Jiva Goswami's book, 6 sandarbhas, 6 books already, all together keep him on the bed. Gurudev told, I keep 6 books, but one condition. What you are reading, you can speak me. What is? What you understand? So every day you can speak me. Then I told, okay, I will speak. First time, I took books, I keep in the almari. After then, I took Bhakti Sandarbha. I thought, sadhus every day they are speaking about bhakti, 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 bhakti. Always bhakti. So I can read Bhakti Sandarbha, what happening, what is happening here. In this way, in the Gurudev room, Gurudev sitting on the bed, so I am sitting there. Then I read. That time I read one story. One rat every day coming to Vishnu temple. There have ghee lamp. In the ghee lamp, chewing ghee. Every day she is eating ghee. One day the ghee cotton already pushed in the teeth. That time pull it. When pull, at once big fire. By the fire, she burnt and dies. She dies. Next life, she was princess, Rajkumari, princess. And when she was small, that time she has nature, showing ghee lamp. Showing ghee lamp to Vishnu. Every day, showing there. In this way, she is mood calm, she is nature calm, she is bhakti calm. Whole life she did this bhakti. When she left body, at once she took effulgent body, beautiful transcendental body. At once she went to Vaikuntha Dham. One rat, she does not know what is bhakti, what is this. She does not know. But unknowingly, Sukriti came. By this Sukriti, she got promotion and she went Vaikuntha Dham. If somebody knows, oh, this is bhakti, I can follow bhakti, then more profit, more higher things come in. In this way, I spoke to Gurudev, very funny mood. Gurudev, very nice story. Gurudev was very happy. Okay, every day you study, you read and speak to me. In this way, my study already start, and every day I am speaking to Gurudev. I am very small boy, I don't know. No rule, regulation, nothing. Gurudev is my father, I am staying with him. I am a little boy. In this way, 1 year more passed. Maximum, all total, 2 years I live in Devananda Gaudiya Math. But that time Gurudev came in Devananda Gaudiya Math. He is General Secretary and Vice President. He is managing all things. Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj going preaching center, always preaching. Sometimes coming in temple, but he is neutral, not taking care. Always in temple management, all good things, all management, everything managing Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. In this way, at that time when Gurudev came, after Param Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, in Navadvip Dham, that time no good management, all disturbance. They called to Gurudev. In this way they came from Mathura, coming there. Then is managing. Very slowly manage. Because that time not so much money, no income, no money. In this way some problems. But that time Gurudev, I have seen one Mataji from Bardhaman. She gave some donation, 10,000 rupees. So Gurudev started some work on the gate. In this way he did so many work. After that, Gurudev came to Mathura. Gurudev told all are Bengali, they are managing. I am only one Bihari, came from Bihar. So, some atpata, some disturbance, no compromise. So I am going to Mathura, I am preaching there, that is my life, this is my good things. In this way, Gurudev discussed with me. Then I told Gurudev, you are going, so I am coming. Gurudev told, okay, but you are coming after 1 month. Because that time everyone going here, there, that time become empty. So at a time you are coming. In this way, Gurudev spoke me. After Navadvip Parikrama, Gurudev came to Mathura. At that time, after 1 month, I came to Mathura. Then I found Gurudev Sevak is not there. Serving Gurudev, Lakshman Prabhu, he is not there. Because too much hot, very heat in summer season, no rice, only chapati. In this way, he is not like, so he is going back in house. So I came there. Gurudev was very happy. Then I have seen no brahmacharis there, only 15, 16 brahmacharis. But all are old men, all are senior. There are one Kalachand Prabhu, he is giving prasadam to Gurudev. That time when I came, he told me, oh, you can give prasad. So I was serving to Gurudev. But in temple have problem, no water. Have water, very salty water. Who is using this salty water from the oil? In this way, in the early morning, I am going, maximum 2:30 or 3 o'clock. I am going to outside, bringing tap water by the bucket. 2 bucket water, 2 bars. I open books in the kitchen room, then I give water. After that, going again. Then I am reading 2 bars, and going and coming. Then complete 2 bars. In this way, every day 60, 70 bucket water I brought in temple. I keep there all tanki full. In this way I am reading books and reading verse. So Gurudev that time, very powerful, very control, very strong, very strict. In the early morning, 3 o'clock, Gurudev woke up and he started Harinam. Every day he is starting Harinam, chanting Harinam and prayer, so many prayer. Radhika Ashtakam, Nandanandana Ashtakam, Brajraj Sutta Ashtakam, other Ashtakam, so many Ashtak. Then Gurudev chanting, reading, no books. He has practiced. Like वेणु गीत, गोपी गीत, जुगल गीत, प्रणय गीत और भ्रमर गीत. All गीत, everything he is speaking, singing very nicely. At that time, Gurudev voice is very good voice, very sweet voice. Gurudev always chanting. In the morning, never spoke any kind of katha. Before 7 o'clock, anyone cannot speak with Gurudev. 50,000 Harinam already complete. And all prayers. After then, Gurudev taking bath after 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, 10 minutes. Taking bath. After bath, sitting, tilak, annik, mantra jap. After mantra jap, after annik, we are coming together of happen after Gurudev. So Gurudev going to temple, pranam there, offering and offer flowers. In this way, Gurudev doing parikram, then coming. When sitting on the bed, then I am speaking to Gurudev. Gurudev, please listen my verse. Then all total, every day I am speaking 60, 70 words. Speaking to Gurudev. Gurudev was very happy, very funny mood. So cleaning and washing clothes every day. Again, cooking prasadam. All are senior persons. So we are brahmachari, we are small, so we have a habit. We are cooking there. Then 11:30. So Jamuna Prasad Chobi, Gurudev told him, so he's small boy, he can study some English, some Sanskrit. So you can take him in the school. Then he took me in Mathur Chaturved Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya. I studied there. Every day, cooking prasadam, 11:30, I call to Pujari, you can take bhoga. She is taking bhoga, going to temple. 11:30. After 10 minutes, only in the 10 minutes, very quickly, I am giving prasadam to Gurudev. So Gurudev sitting and taking prasadam because he knows I am going to school. Nobody there who is giving. So in this way, before 12 or quarter to 12, at that time I am giving prasadam to Gurudev. Gurudev taking prasadam, very quickly I took some prasadam in plate, eating and going to school. 12 o'clock, I am going to school, very near. In this way I have no problem. So I am going to school, I study there. After 4:30 or 5 o'clock, I am coming back. Then every day I give some fruit or paneer, chana. Give to Gurudev. Took something, eat. After then, Gurudev sit on the veranda, on the chair. Call to everyone. Okay, everyone come to me. We are going sitting there. Gurudev told, okay, study. We are reading books. All Bhakti Vinod Thakur books. Gurudev like Bhakti Vinod Thakur books. And Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. Very, very lovely. Gurudev like Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur commentary and all his books. So, we study there. We are reading something. Then Gurudev asks, okay, what do you understand? Tell me. Everyone is speaking something. Gurudev teach again, nicely speaking. Or in this way, very nicely understand. So in this way, we study from Gurudev. give class. After Arati, give him class. We are going to kitchen room and cooking again. Then coming to class. Your Gurudev teach us very prominent point like Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Chaturtha, fourth, first, fourth, and other chapter, 13, Madhya Lila 13, Ratha Jatra Prasanga, and Madhya Lila 8, Rai Ramananda Sangvad, Madhya Lila 19, Rup Shiksha, 20, 21, 22, this is Sanatan Shiksha. Gurudev teaches one word. At that time we study. In this way, after the 9 o'clock, after 9 o'clock, Gurudev taking prasadam, we are taking prasad, Gurudev massage feet, then sleeping. Again, 3 o'clock, bring water. Every day our life, all seva, because that time not so much money. Next year, Premanandapur came. When Premanandapur came, then we are together. We are living together like two brothers or two sisters or mother and daughter. Living, all together sleeping. Premanandapur gives so much love and affection. And every day, sometimes, we are going to bhiksha, going to house, door to door. Radhe sound. Myself and Premanandapur, everyone giving some bhiksha. Then call to everyone, okay, you must come, our Gurudev is there. Very nice deities, very nice temple, everyone come. In this way, slowly they are coming. Gurudev spoke Harikatha to them. They are very happy. Brajavasi is moved, I cannot eat from sadhus. I am serving sadhus but not eating. Not eating. Gurudev told, no, listen, like sun. Sun got taking water everywhere. Drainage water, pond water, bad water, good water, river, ocean, from everywhere taking water. But when sun god gave him from the cloud, rain coming, very nice water, pure water coming. Same way sadhus, they are taking, begging everywhere. Bring, then they are cooking of a bhoga to Sri Krishna, make purity, then give him prasadam to everyone. In this way you can eat, don't worry, don't fear. Then Gurudev teach them, slowly they are taking some prasadam. Then we are cooking very nicely. All Brajavasi, they are very happy, oh, very nice prasadam, nice cook. In this way attractive. Srila Swami Maharaj came in Vrindavan. That time he called to Gurudev. Gurudev came to Srila Swami Maharaj. That time I am cooking dalia, khichdi, some prasadam for him. Our Akinchan Maharaj, he massaged to Swami Maharaj's feet and massaged by the olive oil. In this way, his duty. I am going with Gurudev. I am sitting there. That time so many things. Rockefeller Company gave donation for Mayapur temple. But that time he has desire, he is doing temple, working there. But in this year, only that year, automatically Swami Maharaj's health is going down. some problems come. Then he left body. So called to Gurudev, Gurudev come in. Doing procession, all temple going there. After then Gurudev gave samadhi to him. Then everyone they request to Gurudev. Prabhupada told, please help us. We are very simple, we don't know. That time Gurudev told, okay, don't fear, I am managing to you. So Gurudev come in there, speaking Hari Katha, give him pacify to them. All sannyasis come into Gurudev. 40, maximum 40 devotees, one minibus, they are coming in the daytime. In evening, night time, all GBC, sannyasis, senior sannyasis, they are coming to Gurudev. Gurudev teach them so many books, like Radharaj Sudhanidhi, Bilab Kusumanjali, Krishna Karnamrit, any other books. All books teach them. And secret way. In the room, close the door, they are sitting long time. In night, 10 o'clock, giving prasadam to them. After that, they are going back. Every night coming and going. Long time. That time have ISKCON court case, because Swami Maharaj's son make court case. Some trouble come. Gurudev going there, spoke to them. This is sannyasi, they are owner. Family man, not owner. In this way, Gurudev spoke so many things. Then going on. Then court case clear, they are giving some money here, there, and this, everything stop, clear. Gurudev like Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur commentary, all commentary. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur books. Also Bhakti Vinod Thakur books. So Gurudev teach us every day. Evening he teach all Bhakti Vinod Thakur books and Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur books. Also all commentaries. Evening he teach to us. In this way become class. Gurudev class. So many people come in. All are hearing, listening. In this way teach. At that time, so before we read, but that time so many girls, so many brahmacharis, all together coming and sitting. So Gurudev read and teach to everyone. Prominent verses and slokas. That time Gurudev gave him class. One time in Brahmar Git, Uddhav Sandesh. More than 1 month he spoke only Brahmar Git, only Uddhav Sandesh. Braja Gopi's separations Katha. At that time we heard one by one words and very clearly. That time we thought, oh, we are not living here. Another way, another place, another planet, so really, we are not here. In this way, Gurudev gave class. At that time, how much pathetic mood. How is Brajagopi's bhava? One by one words. Everything clearly. spoke. Sometimes Gopi Geet, Venu Geet, Brahmar Geet, Pranay Geet, Jugal Geet, everything. In this way, Gurudev teach and read. That time, very silent mood, peaceful, very funny mood. Brahmacharya is like, everyone be happy. And Gurudev did bhajan. Outside, that time no prachar, no collections, nothing. Little money. And very nicely going on. Not so much preaching. After that, so in Mathura, sometimes going to outside and speaking Harikatha, house to house. After 96, after 95, in the 96, Brajanath Prabhu requested Gurudev, you can go to foreign country. I am managing you. You don't worry. At that time he went Western country. Then he called to all Prabhupada disciples. They came to Gurudev. They heard Harikatha from Gurudev. That time they attracted. Mostly people, they are coming. In this way, Gurudev preached everywhere. Then Gurudev was very happy. Oh, my mission is very successful. I am preaching everywhere, so go. Everyone coming. At that time, ISKCON temple, they strictly prohibited, hey, don't go, anyone don't go to Gurudev. Don't meet with him. But he never listened. Anyone come in. Give him more inspirations. And Gurudev preached to them, spoke Harikatha to them. In this way they learn. Because everyone they know, Srila Swami Prabhupada spoke to Gurudev, so you can preach and teach to everyone. In this way, Gurudev gave full energy to them and give so much love and affections. In this way, Gurudev mission, Gurudev desired. So Gurudev teach to everyone about Raganuga Bhakti. Our mission have two types, Bhakti, Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti everyone following. There is no problem. But necessary Raganuga Bhakti. So Gurudev teach to everyone must follow Raganuga Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti, there are Ragatmik Brajavasis, they have pure bhakti, pure mood. In this way, devotees, they are following 5 kinds of mood, 5 types ras, Santa, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya, Madhu. They are following to Brajavasis. This is called Raganuga Bhakti. All types mood. So there are, Gurudev spoke to everyone. Everyone must follow Rupanuga Bhakti. What is Rupanuga? Rupa Goswami's theory. He wrote Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjal Nilmani, all other books. There are. How can follow pure bhakti? So everyone can follow this Rupanuga Bhakti. Must follow to Rupa Goswami's theories, bhakti process. Shuddhi or Rupanega Bhakti, 2 types. Sambhog Ichamai and Tattad Bhavichamai. Sambhog Icha means, oh, I am Sri Krishna's Sakhi. Sri Krishna coming to me. I meet with Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna meeting with me. I am giving happiness to him. I am serving anyhow, serve him to Sri Krishna. He will be happy. His happiness is my happiness. This is called Sambhog Ichamai. Because I want to meet with Sri Krishna meeting with me. What is his like, so he is taking enjoy with me. This is Sambhog Ichamai Bhakti. But Gurudev told our Bhakti is another. Tattad Bhavichamai. Tattad Bhavicha means Radharani, Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Champaklata, Sakhi's mood. Gurudev told, no Sakhi's mood. Must follow, must take you. Manjari's mood. How is Rupa Manjari? How is Rati Manjari, Ananga Manjari, Lavanga Manjari, Vilas Manjari, then Kamal Manjari, Nayan Manjari, Rag Manjari, Vinod Manjari. How they follow to Bhakti? How is their mood? They got Radhika's mood. Same mood. They follow Bhakti. I am Radhika's maid servant. I am following to Radharani. I am following to Manjari. Everyone following to Radharani and Krishna. We are following to who is Radhika's nearest. Manjari, I am following to them. Manjari's mood is our mood. I can get their mood. In this way, we are following to Manjari. Tattad Bhavichamai Bhakti. Their service, they have service mood. Serve him to Sri Krishna. Serve him to Radharani. Following Radharani. They don't want to meet with Sri Krishna. How can serve Radha Govinda? They will be happy. Their happiness is our happiness, my happiness. Like one time, Gurudev spoke so many things. There are like one time, Radhika was sulky mood. She is hiding in Kunja. Sri Krishna cannot find to her. Then he was very unhappy. Came to Dhir Samir. Sit there. Always chanting Radhe, 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 Radhe. Weeping, tears falling. In this way, Sri Krishna was very sad. Then he is fainting on the ground. Radhika's one Sakhi, means Manjari, she is watching. That time she found Sri Krishna is falling, fainting on the ground. At a time, Manjari, she is not coming to Sri Krishna. She runs away. She came to Radharani. Spoke her, O Radhe, धीर समीरे यमुना तीरे बसती बने बनमाली नकुरु नितंबिनी गमन विलंबन मनुष्यरताम हृदयेशम. O Nitambiनी Radhe, don't delay. Manusaratam Hridayesam. Your Prananath, Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. You must follow to him. This time, no any other Sakhis, no anyone come in there. Sri Krishna is alone, always chanting your name. Never spoke. See, he is fainting there. Never spoke. Why? He speak there, oh Sri Krishna fainting, then Radharani fainting here. Will be big problem. He is very funny. This time always remember to you chanting your name. So you must go there. That time Sakhi decorating to Radharani. Prepare. Decorations. Ornaments. So many ornaments putting in her body. Or you can take. Sri Krishna watching, become very happy. In this way you can take one by one so many ornaments. And spoke to her, oh Radhe, when you are meeting with Krishna, how become happy? You are coming to Sri Krishna's chest like a necklace. At that time, very beautiful. He is same color, golden, or you are golden color. So very beautiful scenery coming. So many things spoke. In this way, that time Radharani coming to Sri Krishna. When Radharani come in with Manjari, come in there. That time she found, oh, Sri Krishna is fainting here. At once she runs. She came here. Sit there, giving her hands to Sri Krishna's head. When give him hands and rubbing, at that time Sri Krishna opened eyes. Sense come. Open eyes. So, Jayati Sanjeevani Nikunja Devi Radha. She is like Sanjeevani medicine. This medicine is gave to Lakshman when he is falling in the ground, becomes senseless. That time Hanuman went Himalaya mountain to Gandhamadan Parvat. Bring there. Doctor came, doctor took medicines from the mountain. That medicines make paste, give him Lakshman chest. That is called Sanjeevani medicines. In this way he woke up. Lakshman woke up. Same way, Sri Krishna fainting for Radharani. Radhika have Mahabhav mood. So Sri Krishna always testing Radhika's mood. In this way, Sri Krishna fainting there. Who is giving him sense? No other person. Only Radharani coming, then sense come. When touch Sri Krishna's head, that time Sri Krishna woke up. When woke up, then Sri Krishna weeping for Radharani. Also Radharani weeping for Sri Krishna. Weeping each other. That time they were very happy. Very pathetic mood, happy mood. Each other embraced Radha and Krishna. Together embraced. By the pathetic mood, meeting together how is happiness? Very good thing. Then Manjari thinking, oh, this time I managed to them. They are coming together. They are meeting together. So I am very, very happy. At that time she is feeling happiness. In Chaitanya Charitamrita spoke. Radha Krishna, they are meeting together. How is their happiness? Manjari is more happiness. So, I become happy, but Sakhi, they are managing, serving to me. They are feeling happiness more than 100 times and billion times more happiness coming. In this way, Manjari Seva. This is called Tat-tat Bhavichhamai Bhakti. Like Gurudev, many times teach these things. So Gurudev spoke to, teach to everyone. We are following to Prajagopage mode. This is Rupanuga Bhakti. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami spoke this verse. Gurudev teach to everyone, must follow these rules. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad spoke, Sakhayate mama namastu nityam. Dasyayate mama rasastu sattam. Oh Radhe, I pray to you, I don't want your Sakhi mood, Sakhi path. I become your Dasi. I am serving your lotus feet. So, life after life, all the time, I become your servant, your Dasi. So, Gurudev teach to all devotees these things, this mood. One time not, many times I asked to Gurudev, you are preaching very high level. All Raganuga, Rupanuga, Bhakti, topmost. And everyone speaking Vaidhi Bhakti. And they are very quietly speaking, very carefully. So you are speaking loudly, clearly everywhere. What happening? Gurudev spoke in Chaitanya Charitamrita and Rupa Goswami's theories, everything clearly open. You can see. How is Mahaprabhu's mission? How is Mahaprabhu's theory? You can understand. Rupanuga Bhakti, topmost. Then understand Mahaprabhu's mood. Otherwise, only following Vaidhi Bhakti rule regulation, then can't understand. If so, Prabhupada time, before Prabhupada, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur time, so many upper sampradayas coming. No pure sadhu, no pure bhajan sadhan, no pure theory, nothing. Everything closed. Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur came. That time he started. Call to them. Should be careful, follow bhajan. Chastise to them. And he preached. That time mission started again. Srila Prabhupada was very strong. strong mood, he preach everywhere. That time he control. Don't read 10th canto Bhagavatam. Don't speak Radhe. Loudly anyone cannot speak. In this way, Prabhupada time, he teach renounced life and careful. In this way, he teach to everyone. That time he cannot speak so many katha, then stop so many things. Now I am coming. Gurudev told. This time I keep cover all holy books, all Mahaprabhu's mission and Mahaprabhu's theory. Then everything will be covered, disappear. In this way, everyone thinking only chanting, singing Harinam. Chanting Harinam, bas, enough. They cannot understand how is Goswami's theory, how is Mahaprabhu's mission, what is Mahaprabhu's desire, how he tasted this mood, everything disappeared. In this way, I am trying. All Goswami theories, Goswami Shastra, everything coming. Also, Gurudev teach to us. You are speaking Bhagavad Katha, but you can speak more Goswami's Katha, Guru Varga Katha, Goswami books. Then will be tasteful, more interesting. Bhagavad Katha will be more interest and suitable when speaking Guru Varga's Katha, Goswami's Katha. Gurudev spoke to us. In this way, Gurudev preached Raganuga Bhakti means Rupanuga Bhakti. How can follow Rupanuga Bhakti? This is Gurudev mission and Gurudev desire.